This will be plumb. There'll be no review here, I don't think. That looked to be plumb. It stayed down. He was back and across. Wow, pitch outside leg. Oh, surely not. Drama again. Here we go again. He will review it because he's the #1 batsman.
Well, that one did look to be doing everything right. It seemed to be coming back from, say, off stump. Sangakkara's just banged his bat on the ground. I think he knows that that's plumb, and it's not a no ball. That's beautiful bowling. Great reward for persistency.
Yeah, well, he's got the shiny side on the left of screen, so it was coming back a little bit. It's not going over the top. Did it pitch in line? Was there an inside edge? Let's have a look. There's no inside edge. No ball. No inside edge. Did it pitch in line?
Yes, it did. And that's out.
Right. That's worth a review, though, isn't it? It's only hitting middle halfway up. That pitching middle, hitting middle, hasn't hit it. You've got to go. Finally, Siddle's got one.
And what a bowler.